Under the rising sun, sway, they stands face to face with the Shadow Master. Their movements are precise, their strikes swift as the forest watches in tense silence. Meanwhile, Lethe leads the animals in repairing the forest, their collective efforts countering the traps and chaos left in the Shadow Master's wake. As the duel intensifies, Sway, they senses something deeper driving his opponent. Pain from a betrayal long ago. In a moment of clarity, he chooses compassion over conflict, speaking to the Shadow Master's heart instead of defeating him with force. The Shadow Master's anger melts into understanding. With a solemn nod, he disappears into the forest, vowing to find his own balance. The forest is restored, and Sway, they and Lethe stand together, knowing they have grown stronger through the trials. Moral: true victory comes from understanding and healing, not conflict.